Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb, yeah, 2010 government objective past question, question number 15. And the question here says a typical form of delegated legislation is dash. A typical form of delegated legislation is that is which of the below options fall within delegated legislation. I want to talk about delegated legislation. Delegated legislation that is the act of giving responsibility 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 officially for 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 national assignment. Option A say a decree, option B say a bill, option C say a bylaw, option D say an act. Now it is not a decree because decree has to do with military. Then a bill is a docu document document awaiting to become law. They want to talk of bylaw. Bylaw is a law made by the subordinate authority, and that's why we talk of officially for national assignment. And that's why in Nigeria the local government has the power to make by law. An act is not passed. So a typical form of delegated legislation is bylaw. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.